Hello guys, welcome to Cryptus Cyber Security channel. So in today's video, we're going to see how we can gather information by using Maltego tool. So what is Maltego tool? It is an information gathering tool. It is used to gather information for security related work. So let's start with it. So we can use this by writing in terminal Maltego, or we can open it from here also. Like, it is an information gathering tool, so we will find here and you can see here. So I'm going to start from this. Okay. So you can see these are the 4 to 5 editions of it. So these are purchased. So we have to pay for this. So I'm going to use community edition. Now we have to accept this. First you have to register, then log in into it. So like, you can register from here, then we have to log in here. So I have already done this. So I'm going to simply log in. It will take some time. After that it will show the login result. Now you can see it has been logged in, and it is also telling from how date it is valid. Next, now it is start installing transforms. So what is transform? It is a piece of code, take a bit of information as input and return related information in the form of more entities as an output. So it will download. Now it has been downloaded. We'll select next. If you want to send automatically error reports to them, so you will click on this. I am not doing this, so just click next. Choose any default browser, or like browser of your own choice. So I'm using Firefox. Finish. So this is the interface of this. So these are the transforms. Some are paid and some are free. You can use them. For paid you have to purchase them, just like Google Map. These are free. So now let's go to the graph. Okay, sorry, so it has created. So these are the entity palette. If you know a single or little information about anything about the victim, like their name, devices, information about their devices, their phone number, or like email, website name, DNS name, IP address, we can gather information from them only. So here you can say IPv4 address. So I'm going to gather information from website name. So we will drag and drop here. Let me do again. So yeah, now they have given their default, so we have to change it our own. So I'm going to gather information of Google. Sorry. Now simply right click. Now we have to choose transform, like which type of information I want. So we will click on this plus, like I want email address, DNS name, or like any other like to IP address. So I want IP address. You can see transform is running. It has given the information. You can also overview all the nodes from here. Just like that, we can also choose another transform. Okay, let find email addresses. Now again you can see here it's running. Okay, don't know why. You can see now email addresses. So this is how we can get the information from this. There are also layout, like you can do this for better understanding, like this. There are more entity palettes. You can see here. Email address, image, if you have image, email address, person's name, telephone number, email. Social networks are also there. So this is how we can get the information from it. So I hope you find this video valuable. Thank you for watching.